Gynoecium is female reproductive word of the flower. Gynoecium is formed by modified female reproductive leaves. Each modified female reproductive leaf is known as carpel, or it is also known as pistil. Each carpel distinguished into different parts. Carpels are developed from the apicalmost node of the thalamus. From the thalamus, female modified leaves developed. Such type of female modified reproductive leaves known as carpel, and each carpel is distinguished into stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma is apicalmost region of the carpel or pistil. Style is elongated portion, middle portion of the carpel, and ovary is basalmost swollen portion of the carpel. Ovary encloses ovules. The seed or egg containing bodies. Egg containing bodies located inside the ovary. So ovary becomes fertile part of gynoecium. Gynoecium is distinguished into different types. Gynoecium is classified into different group on the basis of number of carpels involved in the gynoecium. The gynoecium may be monocarpellary, gynoecium. When the gynoecium has only one carpel, is known as monocarpellary gynoecium. When the gynoecium is formed by two carpel, known as bicarpellary gynoecium. Bicarpellary gynoecium, tricarpellary gynoecium, tetracarpellary gynoecium, pentacarpellary gynoecium. These are the different types of gynoecium named on the basis of number of carpels present in the gynoecium. Multicarpellary gynoecium means many carpels are developed from the node of the thalamus and form gynoecium. That is known as multicarpellary gynoecium. So on the basis of presence of carpels, the gynoeciums are classified into different groups. Now, gynoecium may be classified into different group on the basis of conditions, on the basis of cohesion. Cohesion means fusion of the members of same wall is known as cohesion. So on the basis of cohesion property, the gynoecium may classified into different group. These gynoeciums are syncarpous gynoecium. Syncarpous gynoecium. Syncarpous gynoecium. Syncarpous gynoecium. Here what happened? More than one carpels present in the gynoecium, and these carpels are completely fused to each other. Carpels are fused and form the gynoecium. All carpels fused form single style. Fusion of the many styles and stigma developed. Such type of gynoecium is known as syncarpous gynoecium, where what happened? The ovules are enclosed inside the ovary are many in number, and stigma may be different lobed or many lobed. On the basis of number of carpels, stigma lobed may develop in the syncarpous gynoecium. So on the basis of number of stigmas, carpel number may be identified. Carpel numbers may be detected on the basis of number of stigma. If here stigma are 5 in number and style is single, then it is identified that the carpels are 5 in number. If stigma 5 in number, then carpels are 5 in number. And on the basis of transverse section of the ovary, the locules may develop, chambers may observed in the transverse section of the gynoecium. If single or many locules are developed, chambers are developed, then that gynoecium may be multicarpellary. If 5 chambers are present, then the gynoecium may be pentacarpellary. So, on the basis of number of chambers in the ovary, we can detect the number of carpels. Externally, on the basis of number of stigmas, the carpel number may be identified in the syncarpous gynoecium. But in the another type of gynoecium, apocarpous gynoecium. Apocarpous gynoecium. The gynoecium in which the carpels are developed from the node of the thalamus. And these carpels are free from each other. These carpels are free from each other. Each and every carpel is developed independently from the node of the thalamus. So such type of free carpels developed in the gynoecium. Such type of pre-carpel possessing gynoecium is known as apocarpus gynoecium. Apocarpus gynoecium. These are the stigmas free. Stigmas free from each other. Style of each carpel free from each other. And ovary also free from each other. These are the ovaries. Ovaries are also free from each other. Such type of gynoecium is known as apocarpus gynoecium. Apocarpus gynoecium. Now, stigma are of different types. As the gynoecium distinguished into different parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma, style, and ovary. So here what happened? The ovary is basal portion of the carpel, gynoecium. Style, it is middle elongated portion of the gynoecium. The stigma are of different types. Stigma are of different types. Stigma may be capitate stigma. Capitate stigma. When the stigma is cap-like. Stigma is cap-like. Such type of stigma is developed. Cap-like stigma. Capitate stigma. Capitate stigma. Stigma is cap-like. Capitate stigma. Then stigma may possess different shape. Pulmose stigma. Pulmose stigma means feathery stigma. Feathery stigma. In such type of stigma, what happen? The wing-like stigma develop. The wing-like stigma. Such type of stigma. Suppose this is the axis of the gynoecium, and the stigma becomes feathery. Such type of stigma. Feathery stigma. This is the feathery stigma. Discoid stigma. Disc-shaped stigma. Disc-shaped stigma. So stigma possess different shapes. Stigma having different shapes in different species of the plant, and it may observe externally, and we can distinguish the type of stigma: capitate stigma, palmostigma, discoid stigma. Then in some of the plant, stigma may be bifurcated, bifid stigma. Stigma, when it is bifurcated, such type of stigma, bifid stigma. This is the bifid stigma. Bifurcated stigma, bifid stigma. So such type of stigma. Linear stigma. In some of the plant, linear stigma may develop. Linear stigma. It means here stigma is elongated, simple, and tapering at its end. Such type of linear stigma. Sticky stigma. Sticky stigma means stigma may capture the pollen grain with the help of sticky substances, mucous substances. So such type of stigmas may develop in the different group of the plants. Then style is generally elongated portion, style is elongated portion of the gynoecium, elongated portion. Now, when the ovary is concerned, the ovary are of different types. Ovary, superior ovary may be superior ovary, inferior ovary, and third one is half superior, and half inferior. Half superior and half inferior. Here what happened? Superior ovary means the all floral whorls are developed on the ovary. Suppose this is the ovary and thalamus becomes such type of ovary. Suppose this is the ovary. In the ovary, what happened? Above the ovary, all floral whorls are developed. Superior ovary. All floral whorls may develop like calyx, corolla, androecium. These are the superior structures. And here what happened? This is the inferior ovary. Inferior ovary means the ovary becomes inferior, means the ovary is located below the all floral whorls. This becomes inferior ovary. And superior ovary the floral whorls developed from the basal portion of the ovary. Suppose this is the ovary, superior ovary, where what happened? All floral whorls developed from the basal portion of the ovary, such type of, and calyx, corolla, and goshium. Such type of ovary becomes superior ovary. Superior means the all floral whorls developed below the ovary, and inferior ovary, where what happened? The ovary becomes lower or below the, developed below the androecium and corolla and calyx. Such type of ovary is known as inferior ovary, superior ovary, and half superior, half inferior. Here what happened? The thalamus becomes cup septa, and in the cup septa thalamus, the stamens, androecium, stamens of the androecium, corolla, calyx may develop to the periphery of the ovary. Such type of ovary is known as half superior, half inferior. It is denoted by symbol. Inferior ovary denoted by symbol G and hash. Inferior ovary. Superior ovary is denoted by the symbol, and this ovary half superior and half inferior ovary. So such type of different types of terms used at the time of explanation of the gynecium. The question may ask on each and every term for 1 mark. अशा प्रकारचे हे गायनोशियमचे वेगवेगळे पार्ट आहेत. गायनोशियम म्हणजे फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह पार्ट. या गायनोशियम मध्ये मॉडिफाईड लीव्हज जे आहेत त्याला कार्पेल म्हणतो, आणि हे कार्पेल फ्री असतील तर त्याला अपोकार्पस गायनोशियम, आणि फ्यूज्ड असतील, एकमेकाला जोडले गेलेले असतील तर त्याला सिनकार्पस गायनोशियम, आणि त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड वेगवेगळ्या टर्म्स वापरलेले आहेत. ओव्हरीचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार पडले जातील. त्याचं प्लासेंटेशन हे वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीनं होतं, ते आपल्याला नेक्स्ट पिरियड मध्ये बघायचं आहे. इफ यू लाईक दिस व्हिडिओ यू कॅन सबस्क्राईब. थँक्यू.